Namaste everyone, welcome to Aphinya Yoga. I am Aphinya and welcome to the channel that dedicated to the practice of health and happiness. If you have a hard time concentrate on your task lately, these 3 yoga poses will help. Would you mind to follow along? Let's go into the first one, tree pose. Balance on your right leg, turn your left foot out, and then hug your left leg in toward your right inner thigh. Take a deep breath, hand by your side. Now from your core, draw it in and root down into your leg and lift your heart high as your shoulder blades onto your back. Breathe. Relax your neck and shoulder. Exhale fully. Squeeze your legs strong toward one another and inhale, arms up toward the sky. One more breath. Deep inhale. Now, next exhale, bring your hands down by your side and bring your left leg down and have your feet hip distance apart. Second pose, inhale, come to the ball of your feet, heels off the floor. Draw your core in, lift your heart up, breathe. Bring your arms in front of you. From here, you are going to slowly sit down. You bend your knee. Are you ready? And keep pointing your knee forward. Draw your core in, shoulder blades back. Breathe deeply. Keep your knee extend forward. Keep it hip distance apart. Relax your neck and shoulder. Now engage your core once again. Push into that ball of your feet. Get yourself up and away from the floor. Go all the way to your tippy toe. And exhale slowly. Bring your heels down and your hands down toward the floor. We go into the third pose. Go back toward your right leg, Garudasana or Eagle pose. So you bend your right knee slightly, bend your left knee and bring it over your right knee. Arms out and bring your left hand underneath the right. Hook the hand, draw your core in. Breathe. Draw your shoulder blades onto your back. Then right here, start to shift your weight toward your standing heel. So you move your whole body backward. Okay. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. And then you unhook everything and bring your hands and your foot down toward the floor. Ready to go on the other side. So we balance it out. So go toward your left leg, tree pose. Bring your right leg in, hug the leg, root your tailbone down, lift the heart, shoulder blades onto your back. Keep breathing. Inhale, lift your arms up toward the sky. One more breath. Exhale fully as you root from your tailbone down toward the earth. Relax your jaw. Another inhale here. And then exhale. Bring your right leg down, feet hip distance apart, hand down by your side. Inhale, come up onto your tippy toes, heels out from the floor. Bring your hands in front of you, engage your core, and slowly sit down and keep pointing your knee forward. Core is in. Imagine you have a wall behind you, and you want to glide your back smoothly parallel to that wall behind you. Knee go forward. And then push into your feet, engage the core. Come up. Try not to tight your jaw, neck, and shoulder. Go all the way to your tippy toe and then exhale. Bring your heels down and your hand down toward the earth. One breath here. Exhale, let the breath go. And then you shift your weight toward your left leg. Bend your left knee slightly. Get your right leg over your left. Get your right arms under the left. Eagle pose, Garurasana. And then here, shift your weight toward the standing heel. Draw your core in. Find the wall, the imaginary wall behind you once again. Shoulder blades back. Last breath here. And then inhale, push into your left leg. Unhook the legs. Unhook the arms. Find your Tadasana, mountain pose right here. One more breath. Exhale fully. If you liked this video and want more of what I have to offer, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends and families. Feel free to leave comments and questions. I also teach online live class every Saturday. Link will be on the description below. And last but not least, if you want to donate to my channel, the link is also there. Thanks so much. See you next time. Namaste.